You know, y'all just ever think,
Man, my walls are really nasty. I really should clean it.
you're right, no one thinks that. No one thinks that. Let's build a wall roomba. Oh. Okay, so here's some things we're gonna need to make this work. An Arduino, because how else is it gonna run? Shut up! A battery stolen from a battery stolen from a battery stolen off the carcass of an old flying machine. Couple DC motors or just general suck. Big fan to a big fan. Just so you know, get that real good suck. Oh no, that broke it. Oh no. Oh, that's just great. And the piece of resistance, a crappy 3D printed body to put everything in.
Welcome to El Picado. We have the finest quesadillas in all of the land, you know. We use solar ovens, you know, going out with the sun to prepare, not giant 41 building back room, you know. We have those sanitary confinements of what you need. Come down to El Picado, next to your cousin Pablo, down the alley to the left. Yes, come please, thank you.